All right, so I'm gonna do a different kind of video, couple of videos here coming up soon. So I'm gonna get rid of these printers, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to film them printing, and I'm gonna do kind of like a how to get started printing with one of these. And so the idea is that I can take one of these printers and I can make a video and show someone how to set it up, okay? How to print with it, how to slice the files, whatever. And when they buy it, I can say, okay, go ahead and watch this video. This video will show you how to do this. And so at the same time, it will also help other people that maybe can't quite figure this out. So it ends up helping me sell a printer that I don't need and help other people that are struggling to figure out. So I got this one here, and I got this one here, and I got another one, and I got a couple of the other larger printers that I need to get rid of also. So I'm going to make a video on that stuff. I'm not like the expert on how to print, but I've definitely figured it out on the basic level and modifications and what works and what doesn't. So I'm ahead of 50% of the people out there printing. Let's put it that way.